From our base in Omagh, County Tyrone, Telestack has forged a global reputation in the material handling industry since the company was established as Lockside Engineering in 1985. Over the years, we've designed and installed products in mines, quarries, ports, rail terminals, power stations, cement plants, and steel mills across the globe. We're very fortunate to work with the leading global players in all these areas, and we travel the world meeting our customers, experiencing different cultures, and growing both personally and professionally. Our global success is built on local expertise. Every product is designed and manufactured in Omagh.